In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Kucoin with new altcoin listings. If you're interested in venturing into cryptocurrency trading, catching new altcoin releases can be a lucrative opportunity. Now, let's dive right into the steps to make the most out of these listings. First, what you want to do is go to the Kucoin website. It's straightforward to find online, and it's your hub for all things related to cryptocurrency exchange, trading, and more. Kucoin is known for listing new and promising altcoins that you can leverage for potential profits, so it's a great platform to be familiar with. Once you're on the site, the next thing you'll need to do is log in. At the top right corner of the homepage, there will be a login button. Go ahead and click that. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to register for one, which is a quick and easy process. Make sure you have all your credentials handy so you can sign in without any hassle. Now that you're signed in, head over to Kucoin's main page. You'll notice at the top or in the menu section a variety of tabs and options. We need to focus on the More section, which usually hosts a drop-down menu with additional features and information. Give that a click. Within this extended menu, look for and select the News option. This section regularly updates with the latest happenings and trends in the crypto world. It's essential to stay informed, and the news section is your gateway to all the insider details on the latest developments. Next, move on to the New Listing section. This is where Kucoin rolls out its latest altcoin additions to the platform. By clicking here, you can discover what new cryptocurrencies are being listed and when. Exploring this section is key to spotting opportunities early, as getting in at the ground floor can often lead to significant gains. There you have it. The pathway to capitalizing on new altcoin listings is clear and ready for you to explore. By regularly checking the new listings, you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions on which coins might have the potential for growth. Remember, investing always comes with risk. So ensure you do thorough research and perhaps consult with trusted resources before making significant commitments. Hopefully, this guide helps you navigate Kucoin more effectively and lets you take full advantage of the opportunities that new altcoin listings have to offer. Keep learning, stay informed, and good luck with your trading endeavors.